a technique of multiplying any number with 15. This technique helps us to multiply any number, that means a number consisting of any number of digits with 15 in a single step. So basically it is a technique of Vedic maths, and we know that Vedic maths is a way of performing calculations in a faster way. And as you know that in the various competitive exams the time is always short, and if we use these techniques we have a better chance to qualify those examinations. So we should master these techniques so that they can be used in the competitive exams. So now I am trying to multiply any number with 15. Let us take the case of number as 4, 2, 3, 1. And I am trying to multiply this number with 15. In this basically I'll multiply 5 with the digits of the number. That means I'll multiply 5 with 1, 3, 2, 4 and 1 by 1, and I will add the previous number in the answer. And for this I will first prefix a 0 in the beginning, so the number becomes 0, 4, 2, 3, 1. So in the first step I'll multiply 5 with 1. 5 with 1 is 5 and it is a single digit, so that digit is prefixed in the answer. So it is added to the answer, it becomes 5 and the carry becomes 0 because 1 into 5 was a single digit number, and so it is prefixed in the answer and the carry is 0. So now in the next step I'll multiply 5 with 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15 and I will add the previous number, that is 1. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 16 and the carry was 0, so the answer is 16. Now it is a 2-digit number. The digit at the unit place is prefixed in the answer and the digit at the tens place is considered as carry. So I will have 6 in the answer and 1 becomes the carry. As you can see, 6 has been prefixed in the answer and 1 is the carry. In the next step I will multiply 5 with 2. Then I will add the previous number, that is 3, and then I will add the carry, which is 1. So 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 and plus 1 is 14. Now I get the answer as 14. It is again a 2-digit number. So I will prefix 4 in the answer and 1 will be considered as carry. So I will get 4 in the answer and 1 is the carry. In the next step I will multiply 5 with 4. And I will add the previous number, that is 2, and the carry, which is 1. So it is 5 into 4 is 20 plus 2 22 plus 1 23. Now 23 is a 2-digit number, so I will use the digit at the unit place, that is 3, and I will prefix it in the answer. So the answer will become 3 4 6 5 and the carry is now 2. So in the next step I will multiply 5 with 0 and I will add the previous number 4 and the carry, which is 2. So it will become 6. So 6 is prefixed in the answer. So the answer is 6 3 4 6 5. So this is how I can multiply any number. That means a number consisting of any number of digits with 15 in a single step. Basically I am multiplying the digit at the unit place, that is 5, with the numbers with the digits in the number one by one. First I multiplied 5 with 1 and as I got the answer as 5, which was a single digit, so I prefixed it in the answer and the carry became 0. In the next step I multiplied 5 with 3, I got 15 and I added 1, I got 16. Now the carry was 0, so 0 is added, so the answer was 16. In the case of 16, 6 is prefixed in the answer and 1 is considered as carry. In the next step I multiplied 5 with 2, I got 10, then I added the previous number, that is 3, it became 13 and 1 was the carry, so it became 14. For 14, 4 is prefixed in the answer and 1 is the carry. In the next step I multiplied 5 with 4, that it became 20, I added the previous number, that is 2, it became 22 and the carry was 1, so it became 23. Now 3 is prefixed in the answer and 2 is considered as carry. In the next step I multiplied 5 with 0 and added the previous number, that is 4. So 5 into 0 is 0 plus 4 and the carry, that was 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now this 6 is prefixed in the answer, so the answer became 6 3 4 6 5. So this is how I can multiply any number that is a number consisting of any number of digits with 50.